In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do basic face touch-up in Affinity Photo. We'll keep things natural and simple, so the person still looks like themselves, just a little more polished. Start by opening your photo in Affinity Photo. Once it's on your canvas, take a moment to zoom in and scan the face for small distractions like blemishes or stray marks. This quick assessment helps you decide where to spend your time and keeps the edit focused. First, use the In-Painting brush tool to remove blemishes. You'll find it in the toolbar. It looks like a healing brush. Size the brush slightly larger than the spot you want to fix, and gently click once on small blemishes. For tiny lines or edge issues, use short, light strokes that follow the natural direction of the skin. If you notice the texture repeating or smearing, undo and try a smaller brush or approach from a different angle. The goal is to let Affinity's content-aware fill blend seamlessly with the surrounding skin while preserving texture. Next, switch to the Liquify persona for small face adjustments. Click the Liquify button at the top to enter that workspace. Choose the Push Forward tool and set a modest brush size. Make subtle nudges, think millimeter level, along areas like a slightly uneven smile line or a strand of hair that's pushing into the face. Work in short strokes, zooming in to stay precise. If anything looks off, use the Reconstruct slider or brush to ease the area back and rely on before and after previews to keep it natural. When you're happy, click Apply to return to the main workspace. Now, apply softening on a new layer using a low opacity brush. Create a new pixel layer above your photo, then select the Soften Brush tool, which gently blurs while keeping transitions smooth. Set a low opacity and flow, around 10 to 20%, so each pass is delicate. Lightly paint over areas that typically benefit from softness, like the cheeks and forehead, but avoid fine details such as the eyes, eyebrows, lips, and nostrils. Toggle the layer's visibility to check your progress, and if the effect feels heavy, lower the layer opacity for a more believable finish. Finally, adjust brightness and contrast slightly. Add a brightness contrast adjustment layer and nudge the sliders just enough to lift midtones and add gentle depth. Watch the skin tones as you tweak. A little goes a long way, and preserving natural highlights and shadows keeps the edit realistic. That's it. A clean, respectful touch-up using just a few tools. Practice these light, controlled moves, and your portraits will look polished while staying true to the subject.